I've been begging ever since I was 8. I've been looking at the stakes and I know it's a mistake. I'm never gonna lie, I've been seeing niggas die. I've been going on my Glock and I'm rolling on the top. You already know, if you show for show. And I've been rolling down the street like a G, like a show. And I know it's okay, but look, let me know if you wanna holler now. I got you on the street, never gonna see gangsters everywhere. You already know, in my hood it's like the events. Trying to get the violence again, and I'm back again. In my hood I was raised, never stop. You know I don't stop. I got that gangster walk, cause I know it's the rocks. And I'm back with smoking, I'm back with the focus. You know I don't lie, cause I sipping on the focus. Focus on the grind, focus on the mind. And I'm losing every mind, trying to get on the hood. Look, let me just go. Yeah, 1, 2, triple that me. She's fucking with you and she's fucking with me. Dear Lord, let me just know if I can live through your words, and I live through the mind, and I know it's okay. I've been preaching to the Lord, I know it's alright, and I'm never gonna stop. And I see gangsters everywhere. I know why, I don't know why. If they should gang bang, I ain't gonna lie. I'm preaching to you, I'm preaching to everybody, trying to get the views, trying to get the views. And I know it's okay, I know it's alright, and I'm dying from the Lord. Yeah. Yeah, see gangsters everywhere in my hood. I see gangsters everywhere, everywhere. Hey, I see my homie got shot on the news. Yeah, I know it's the violence, trying to get the violence out. And I ain't gonna lie, I can't stop every violence that I be up in my street. And I know it's okay, I'm back on the way, and I'm rolling down the street with my homies Carlos Troy. I know it's okay, I got my whole foes trying to 6-4, and I know it's okay, but look.